Welcome back to Andersen Acres. We are doing our weekly kitten update. And at this point, we have DK, who's staying. We have Bowser, who's staying. And where's Jake? Psst, 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 Jake. Jake. Jake's here. Jake is staying. And there's Princess Orange being a bum. So we've got these three are making their homes here at the farm. We were not going to keep Jake, and then we just love Jake. Why are they out here in the shed? I don't know. They were in the house, and then they left the house, and now they're not in the house, and they're in the shed. The door's open. See, they can go in and out all they like. So, there's everybody. There's one. Okay. Jake's down there. Princess Orange. So these guys have moved themselves outside. We didn't do it. Ignore that's an empty can. We don't have insecticide by the kittens. That can is empty. Yeah, meow. So, these guys have you were born outside, but these guys have moved themselves outside, and they don't want to come back in. And that's totally fine. Here's Whiskey's head. That's totally fine. So, now that we know these three are here, and these three are staying, because they're the sweetest little kittens you'll ever meet, and we're not able to give them up. We fell in love with these three. That's just the way it is. Let's go see if we can catch up with the newest members of Catland. And we are here in the barnyard we're calling him Jamie. And they're starting to really explore the barnyard. They are not quite 4 weeks old. So exploring the barnyard can be difficult when you're so little. So, yeah, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. So he's going back under because he's nervous. Yeah, that's your mom. Mom's over here. Mom's here. Baby's here. So all 5 of them are doing well. I'm not going to force them out from under the barn. It was raining this morning, and the goat is biting my shirt. So they are true barn kittens in every sense of the word. All right, true barn kittens. They are under a barn. They are living with barn animals. They are hanging out with chickens and learning how not to be aggressive towards chickens. So we'll just see if we can't see anyone, but I probably can't, but I'll try. No, I can't see from here. That's okay. We do not have to worry about them. Oh, here you are, Jamie. Here's Jamie. Little Jamie, he's the most adventurous of all his siblings. So they are coming out, they are having a blast, having a good old kitten time. And they really do love being out here. Okay, someone had asked me, do I think the kittens like being outside? Yeah, they do. I mean, think about it. Would you rather be locked in the house 24/7 or living your best life out on the farm? Either way, these guys love being outside. So everyone is doing really well, but these guys are still too small to find their forever homes. They need at least another week and a half from when I'm recording this. So these guys will be ready to go to their new homes probably around July 1st. That's not when I'm recording this, obviously. I'm recording this like a week and a half before that. But we like to make sure, one, they're eating and drinking, yeah, but also that they're strong enough, big enough, you know? So depending on the kitten, that could be at 7 weeks, that could be at 12 weeks. So these guys were not sure yet. We think July 1st they can start going to their homes, but maybe not. And we're going to go over here and see if we can see anybody on this side. Oh, dear me. You can see them through this crack. There's Kittens in there. Kittens playing like kittens do. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Look at the baby kittens. So we've got Kittens under there. Kittens having a great time. Yeah, mew. They're all doing really well. They're all looking really well. They're exploring a lot, having a fine old kitten time. So kittens are doing well. They are under there, I promise. Oh, you can see. There's the calico. I can see them. See her. Yeah. They're looking good. And down here we have Jamie again. So, kittens doing what kittens will do. having a fine old kitten time. These are our youngest, and they will be our last litter of the year. We only have springtime kitten litters. I've never had a cat have kittens in the fall. So that makes our lives easier. There's the calico again. They're cute as buttons. Hi, Jamie. There's a lot of J names this year. A lot of J names. So that's about it for us here at Andersen Acres. We will come back next week and see how these kittens are doing. And we will see how big they're getting. See you tomorrow.